Hello student, how are you? Open ES workbook, right? Have you opened? Open fast because you are in Diwali vacation mood, right? But little bit we have to start our study because study is very important. So all the laziness you remove and then start your work. And then after, if our lesson is over, I send you a test. I take a test. So you have to write test also, and test you have to write in the test copy, right? So whenever chapter is over, I send you the test. So every day whatever PDF I send you, you learn at home, you do writing practice, reading practice, so you give the test better and best, right? Okay, we start complete the words, right? This is the missing letter also. Complete the word means the missing letter. Now first number H dash U S dash. Then what is the word? H O U S E, house, right? Now second number P L dash T E. Then what is the spelling? P L A T E, plate, right? Now third number H blanks M P, that is the hump, HUMP. All are the missing letter of the vowel, right? Here look at here, O, E, A, U, that means the vowel. You have to complete the word missing the, fill in the blanks with the vowels. Four number A L blanks K E, that is L A K E, lack, L A K E, lack. Then five number C R blanks W. Then what is the vowel used here? It is the C R O W, crow, right? Now sixth number C dash M dash L. Then what is the spelling? C A M E L. A and E is the vowel. If you feel the A and E, it is the spelling of the camel, right? Now seven number K blanks T blanks. Think about what is the spelling? K I T E, kite. K I T E, kite, right? Eighth number G blanks R D blanks N. Then spelling is, what the spelling made here? G A R D E N, garden, right? Now nine number S T blanks R. Which spelling is that? What you see in the sky? What you see? Moon, and another one is the star also. STAR, star, right? 10 number R dash V dash R. Then R I V E R, river. 11 number M dash dash S E. Then M O U S E, mouse. 12 number R blank double B blank T. Then R A double B I T, rabbit. Okay. Now this is the complete word and we have to fill with the help of the vowel. How many vowels are there? 5, right? Which one is there? A, E, I, O, U. And this vowel, with the help of the vowel, we have to fill in the blanks, missing letters, right? Now look at here. Circle the rhyming words. Whatever is the rhyming words, you have to, rhyming words mean the same spelling, right? you have to circle the rhyming words. Okay, now first number, Bunny was a funny rabbit. Here is the U-double-N-Y and U-double-N-Y, right? So we have to do circle on the bunny and funny. Clear? Now second number, a mouse ran in the house. Here M-O-U-S-E, U-S-E. Then it is the mouse. Circle the mouse and another rhyming word is the house. Both you have to circle on it, right? Now third number, a cat was sleeping on the mat. Then C-A-T, cat, and M-A-T, mat. This one, two are the rhyming words. Now fourth number, one song is done for you. Then here is it is very difficult to find out. Then what is the rhyming word? Here is look at here, O-N-E and O-N-E. That means the O-N-E one and the O-N-E done. Right? Okay. Now 5 number. Do you know why the tortoise is so slow? Do you know the tortoise? Why the tortoise is slow? Then rhyming word is K-N-O-W, no, and another one is the O-W, O-W, and that is the slow, right? These are the rhyming words. Now 6 number, can you trace this fish? Then can you trace, T-R-A-C-E, trace, and F-A-C-E, face. This is the rhyming words. 7 number, do you see that little bee? Which one is the rhyming word? Here look at here children. This is the S-E-E-C and B-E-E-B. Both are the rhyming words. 8 number, all the children are in the hall. Then what is the rhyming word? Is the A-double-L, all, and H-A-double-L, hall. Right? These are given in your page number I think 93 and 94. Both are the page number of the workbook, and of that exercise upper side this is the rhyming words. Again we have two rhyming words. First number is L-A-C-E, then F-A-C-E, T-R-A-C-E. I already sent you in the PDF, right? Then S-P-R-E-E, then F-R-E-E, T-R-E-E, tree. G-A-T-E, get, L-A-T-E, let, P-L-A-T-E, plate. Then 4 number D-O-U-S-E, douse, S-O-U-S-E, house, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. So this has to fill in the workbook with the good writing, and here when you send the PDF of the workbook you have to write the corner date and day also, right? In the CW you have written, then also you have to write the date and day, and when the workbook is sent, here you have to firstly you write the here yes and date. Here is also date. When I send you the PDF of the ES, then on that page you have to write the ES, and I already send you which part of the ES and which part of the English in the Marigold workbook, right? Okay children, have you understand? Bye bye.